Far from the city lights, far from traffic, noise, and schedules, there's a tiny island in Japan that almost feels imaginary. Aogashima, a village living inside a volcano. This island is home to just about 170 people and lies over 350 kilometers south of Tokyo. Surrounded by the Pacific Ocean and shaped by two overlapping calderas, it's one of the most unusual inhabited places on Earth. There are no shopping malls, no movie theaters, no highways. There isn't even a large port. Only one main road and tiny boats or helicopters connect it to the outside world. Here, life moves slowly, connected deeply with nature and silence. The people of Aogashima live with an active volcano, one that last erupted in 1785, taking more than half the island's population. But they returned. They rebuilt. Because for them, this is not danger, this is home. The soil is rich. They grow their vegetables and cook using geothermal steam, simply by digging holes in the earth. Even electricity here comes from wind and solar power. Simple, independent, natural. At night, the sky over Aogashima turns into a vast, silent canvas, with no light pollution. Thousands of stars become visible, a forgotten sight in modern cities. Aogashima is not just a place. It's a mirror. A mirror that reflects how we might live more peacefully, not by conquering nature, but by coexisting with it. In a world that always rushes, this island teaches us a quiet truth, that beauty often lives in the stillest corners of the map.